What's going on, guys? Need Heat here, and today we're doing a restoration on these Jordan 14 lows from 1999. Now, with most original Air Jordan 14s, I've noticed is the midsole becomes very tacky after a while. Could be the paint they use, could be the finisher, might be a little bit of both. So the first step you gotta do is take everything off using non-acetone and then using acetone to get the rest. Try to use as little acetone as possible because this midsole is 23 years old. But it does need a little bit of acetone to make sure that sole is totally clear. So the next step is to get the bottoms all clear, and my favorite part comes after that is putting it in the light box. What a light box does is whiten up or ice a sole out that has basically been oxidized. Now that these are back to factory white, I can finally apply the glue and glue them together to the midsole. Before that, we do have to prep the uppers as well, and then as the last thing we have to prep. So now I'm going in with acetone all over the uppers to try to get the dark spots and the spots from the midsole gone to get it ready for the cleaning and the gluing. That's like 22 years of dirt. Not all the spots got clean. I did get all the blue off. Didn't really want to hit it too hard with the acetone. When I do clean it, the rest will get totally clean. Now it's time to apply glue on everything that we just prepped.
In my mind, it's magic.
So before I forget, instead of air units for this one, I am using an old flip-flop that I cut out into little pieces that will fit. Now it's just time to fix some little touch-ups before we glue down the midsole totally to the bottom. Now it's time to heat up everything and glue everything together. So usually for Jordan 14s, I like to glue the uppers to the midsole and then add the bottom sole afterwards. Gluing piece by piece to make sure I get a perfect fit and a perfect bond. This is another very important part of the restoration, gluing the uppers to the midsole. So I'll let the glue cure on these for about an hour to an hour and a half. So after that, we can heat them up and then press them together. I've been usually working back to front. I work back and then I go straight to the toe cap, and then I work the sides and then the middle. Now that everything is glued, we can add the layer of paint. Instead of a white base coat, I'm using a base coat of mellow blue mixed with white. I went a different route with the color blocking than most people would have done. I used metallic silver, turquoise, and a little bit of mellow blue. The metallic silver lightens it up and adds a glitter effect. The turquoise adds a little bit of an aged effect, and the blue obviously for Columbia blue. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the final result, and if you need anything restored, hit up my Instagram at neat_heat23.